Hello everyone, this is KL. As you see that I am sitting in my car right now. As is on Tuesday, we didn't have school yesterday because yesterday was Lincoln's birthday. So we observing his birthday as the former president of the United States. Okay, so I would like to take this time to answer the really quick answer for the question. Sometimes I don't know when to use I or me. For example, I want to tell someone that I did gardening with my dad. How can I say it? Do I have to say my dad and me did gardening, or my dad and I did gardening? All right, so thanks for the note. Okay, some of the first words English learner start to learn are I and me. In today's clip, I will answer that question. Let's see. I can tell by your first sentence you say that I want to tell somebody or someone. Now you know how to use the word I in this sentence. When you are the only subject of the sentence, you correctly wrote I want to tell you something, or I want to tell somebody. All right, so in this case, I is the subject and want is the verb of the sentence. Now, you're asking me about a situation involving two people in the sentence. I'm sorry. You and your father. Let's review what you already know to find the answer. Okay, so I is the subject pronoun. It refers to a person or to the person performing the action of the verb. So we use I for the subject of the sentence, while me is an object pronoun. It refers to the person receiving the action of the verb. So we use me for the object of the sentence. Do you understand? All right. So let me tell you in your sentence about gardening. You are performing or you are doing gardening. Of course, right? So the answer to this question is my father and I did gardening. Right? In this sense, then the whole subject is my father and I. Okay, I hope that you understand when to use I. I is for the subject of the sentence. Me is for the object of the sentence. What is the subject? The subject is the person or things that performing the action of the verb. Objects, in the other hand, is the person receiving the action of the verb. Okay? So in this sentence, you should use my father and I did gardening. Alright, so I see you in next clip and thank you for watching.